So now we will see two more questions, a couple of questions. So actually I haven't found any more questions. If you do find more questions, please do that, and if I find, I will obviously add, and we will do permutations and combinations after this. Okay, so let me finish this off, and you also practice test series if you have time. Do solve test series questions, I mean topic test, not the full tests. Okay, so now let's see the questions. This two. So this was asked in 2012, 2 marks question. So basically the onto function, the number of functions possible. So I have already given you the formula. I have written it out again. So let's see how many onto or surjective functions are there from n element set to 2 element set. So here, so we remember it, this is was n, this was n, so this is giving us n, so m is now n and n is 2. Okay, so this was our onto function formula. Okay, so I have written it out. So now just put m is equals to n is equals to 2, you will get this. Okay, so this is coming as 2 to the power n minus 2. You can just put the values here. So since this is an easy topic, sorry, not easy, I mean easy topic, I mean you can take two like this, onto functions like this. It may contain 2 elements, so you can just, this contain 2 elements, you can just take as trial and error version. You can take each one and you can try it out. Okay, so just you can take 2 examples like this, and you can just with example trial and error, because it is given. Okay, so if it have been given, so you can just trial and with help of trial and error you can find out which one option will give you the answer. Okay, let's take you may take two such question, 2 such examples, and which will give you the correct answer. It's actually giving, you can find it out, or else you can, if you remember, see I will always suggest to remember this formula, because if sometime like a big thing is asked, okay, so it's not possible to draw diagrammatically find it, and if it is NAT, what happens if it is NAT, no options will be given, so you have to remember, then you have to put it. Okay, and big thing is given, so you cannot just diagrammatically put everything, so it's better to remember. Okay, I know it's very hectic, because I am also not able to remember things. So why do you think I have written it out here? I am not able to remember things. Okay, so I like see some things you need to write it down somewhere important, like short notes, or I pasted it on all walls, so like 10 days before exam you can see it every day, so you just remember things. Okay, so try to write it down somewhere. So our option is 2 to the power n minus 2. So option C is our correct option. So now let's see the final question here. So we will add more questions if I find. Okay, so it's not that end. So if I find some questions, I will add. So now let's see this one for 2014 2 marks question. Okay, so here this is a NAT question. You have to use the virtual calculator, virtual keyboard, and you have to put the answer. No negative marking is present, but you have to put answer correctly. So S denote the number of all functions from this to this. Okay, so here 0, I think it is 1. Let me check once. Yes, it is 1. I don't know why I have written 4. 4, 2, 0, 1. So this is our function. So now S is denote the number of functions. So now here it contains 2 elements, and 2 to the power 4 is 16. 16 elements is present here, and it is containing 2 elements. Thus the function will contain 2 to the power 16. So if you remember this to the power this. Okay, so I hope you can recall it now. We have practiced a lot. So S is containing this. So S is done. Denote by n the number of functions from S. Okay, so S is this to this. So a new set this present this. So a function from this to this is going to happen, then value of log n. So now from this to this, so what is it? Is containing 2 elements, and it is containing 2 to the power 16 elements. So 2 to the power this whole thing, 2 to the power 16. Okay, so this is our n. But n is not asking this, so you cannot just put 2 to the power 16 here. So they are asking, so I have done an easy job for you. So log of n will be 2 to the power 16. Again, if we apply log 2 base n, it will be 16. So the answer will be 16. So this is actually very easy. Just the thing different is log 2 times log is applied. So with this we come to an end of set theory and algebra. So it's hectic for you, it's hectic for me, because so not that I don't want to make videos, I really want to, but I really am not getting time. So for calls and messages and everything, see, I want to, but I am not really getting any time. I barely had time this week. Whole week I had exams, and now this weekend I thought I will make videos more, but I have so many assignments and so many things to do. So I'm sorry if I am not able to make videos, but next is permutation combinations. I want to do it perfectly, because when I was in 11th standard I didn't do it very I just in a brief way I did, okay, so not in some good level, so like joint level or something, so I didn't do it properly. But when in GATE I did it properly with examples and everything. So we'll do that. And as a part of my coursework I am learning statistics, so I hope I can deliver you probability in a better way, because I will learn statistics there, because we are learning, so I will learn before probability. Obviously I will learn, and I will deliver you the best way possible, okay, so that I can from my side I can promise you that I will try my best. So it might not be the best course available, but from my side I will try my best, okay, so that promise I can give you. So now for that, so let's upload this video and have dinner, and next we'll be doing permutations and combinations, okay. So if you have any doubts, mail me, I will reply. It may take some time, but I will reply to your doubts, and I think I will try to reply all the doubts I have, whoever asked. So the another question I have been asked a lot of times is that about test series, okay. So I actually dodged this question, but I think I need to make a video on test series. So there are a lot of questions, okay, about test series, what exams I have given, how to keep up this motivation even if you are getting like very poor marks, okay. So I see this happens, and which test series to take and everything. See, I have made whoever asked me, I have given their answers, but maximum people are asking me to make a video on this. So I mean, there are not very lot of people, so I'm very new to this, so very less some people are there, but I will upload, okay. So but the people who are asking me, so they're like a genuine people, I know them like personally, not personally, but I mean I know them via all this, so social media, email, etc. So I LinkedIn and all, so I don't know, LinkedIn is the social media we can call it, but I will upload a video on test series, okay. I think I have been dodging this for like for 3-4 months now. I think I will make a video on test series, explicitly for test series, and what to do, which test series to take, and how to take if now only 5 months are left, how to do and all, and which test series I have taken, etc. and everything. I will obviously make a video on this, okay. So no need to worry, I will do this, and I will also make a video on my 1 month of KGP, what subjects and everything, which teachers are taking, how are the classes going. I think I will make a video on this. Nobody asked, but since I thought it may boost your confidence, not confidence, that motivation, that if I can make it, you can make it too, much greater way. So this too I will make, I think I will make, okay. So bye, and I don't want to make this video any longer, so and see you in next video, okay. So bye, good night.